A voice vote is a voting method used by deliberative assemblies in which a vote is taken on a topic or motion by responding verbally. The voice vote, or acclamation, is considered the simplest and quickest of voting methods used by deliberative assemblies. The presiding officer or chair of the assembly will put the question to the assembly, asking first for all those in favor of the motion to indicate so verbally, and then asks second all those opposed to the motion to indicate so verbally. The chair will then make an estimate of the count on each side and state what he or she believes the result to be. Since in close cases this can be imprecise, typically if there is any doubt as to the outcome, any member of the assembly may request another vote by a method such as division of the assembly, or a roll call vote. Voice votes are usually not recorded, while others are. United States. Robert's Rules of Order newly revised provides that a vote by voice is the regular method of voting on any motion that does not require more than a majority vote for its adoption. In taking a voice vote, the chair puts the question by saying, "The question is on the adoption of the motion to," or "that," repeating or clearly identifying the motion. Those in favor of the motion, say aye, pausing for response. Those opposed, say no. In the case of a resolution, the question may be put as follows. The question is on the adoption of the following resolution. Reading it. Those in favor of adopting the resolution that was just read, say aye. Those opposed, say no. If the question has been read very recently and there appears no desire to have it read again, the chair may use this form. The question is on the adoption of the resolution last read. Those in favor of adopting the resolution, say aye. Those opposed, say no. In Congress, the vast majority of actions decided by a voice vote are ones for which a strong or even overwhelming majority favors one side, or even unanimous consent. This is because after the chair announces what he believes to be the result of a voice vote, any member can request a division of the assembly, and 1/5 of members can demand a recorded vote on any question. It's estimated that more than 95% of the resolutions passed by state legislatures are passed by a unanimous voice vote, many without discussion. This is because resolutions are often on routine, non-controversial matters, such as commemorating important events or recognizing groups. United Kingdom. A voice vote is held to decide if a bill can progress through to the next stage. The Speaker of the House of Commons will then propose the question by saying, for example, "The question is, that the bill be now read a second time." The Speaker then invites supporters of the bill to say, aye, and then opponents say, no. As many as are of that opinion say, aye. Supporters say, aye. On the contrary, no. Opponents say, no. In what is known as collecting the voices, the Speaker makes a judgment as to the loudest cry. A clear majority either way will prompt the response, "I think the ayes, noes have it." If the result is at all in doubt, a division will be called and the Speaker will say, "Division. Clear the lobby." In the House of Lords, the Lord Speaker will propose the question by saying, for example, "The question is, that the bill be now read a second time." The Lord Speaker then does similarly to the Commons Speaker, by saying, "As many as are of that opinion say, content." Supporters say, content, and of the contrary, not content. Opponents say, not content. The Lord Speaker then decides. In the result of a division, the Lord Speaker will say, "Division. Clear the bar." India. A voice vote is used in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and state assemblies to vote for certain resolutions. It is used when there is a wide agreement on issues and in some cases where the House is not in order. It was used during the formation of Telangana state, in forming the 29th state of India. On the 14th of August 2014, Rajya Sabha passed National Judicial Appointments Commission Bill 2014 by a voice vote. On the 12th of November 2014, BJP won majority in Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha using voice vote, which was questioned by opposition parties like Shiv Sena and Inc. On the 12th of March 2015, the parliament passed the Insurance Laws Bill 2015. Earlier it was passed in Lok Sabha on the 4th of March 2015 and then passed by the Rajya Sabha on the 12th of March 2015 by voice note. It proposes to increase FDI limit in local insurers from earlier 26% to 49% now. On the 30th of April 2015, the Lok Sabha passed the Finance Bill for 2015 by a voice vote. Other methods. Humming is used as a voice vote method at the IETF to estimate the participants' positions on some issues.